One of these two videos has 1.5 million views. The other one doesn't exist. I generated it with AI. Can you tell which is which?
By the end of this video, you'll be able to make one too.
The original video got 1 million views. And it's a huge outlier, about 10 times more views than the other videos on the account. So first, I tried to reproduce it with just Bear Seed Dance 2. And yeah, it was awful. After failing over and over again, I just gave up. Now, with enough patience, which I clearly didn't have, you could probably fix a lot of this with a better storyboard, better reference images, and better prompts. At this point, I figured there had to be a better way, something that could save me a lot of time. So I tried Google Flow, then used Claude Code for all the animations in post. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I finally managed to recreate it. Real quick, I lost Nia's project files, so you get to watch me rebuild everything from zero with a fresh character. This is Raymond. Step 1, create your character. Upload a face photo, pick a voice, and write a bio. Don't stress the voice. Mine lives in 11 Labs anyway, so I'll swap it later with speech-to-speech. The bio? Friendly, confident, and apparently Canadian. Then hit create body and ask for a full body reference, front, side, and back. One thing I learned later, dress your character right at creation. Nia wore the right outfit from day one, and everything went smoother. Step 2, the reference video. Just film yourself doing the moves and upload it. Pro tip, find an empty park. Explaining this to strangers is not a conversation you want to have. Step 3, the prompt. I prefer to start simple and build up from there. @mention your character and ask for the exact same actions and movement. Then generate, and no, you will not one-shot this. Nobody does. 2 mistakes that cost me hours so you can skip them. 1, that @mention has to point at your character, not an image of them. Same face, totally different results. 2, never ask it to swap the face. That's a speed run straight into the safety filter. Instead, tell it your character does the same actions. And here's where it landed. Honestly, good enough to use. Although, if you're Asian, you can probably tell that's not quite Raymond's face. Now, there is a bit of dark magic that fixes exactly this, but I'm not teaching it here. That's a whole other video.
So that's the video half. But let's be honest, the video was never the hard part. What made the original blow up is that text, the way it hides behind her and gets kicked when she jumps. So let's take my finished clip and build that exact effect in Claude Code.
Step 1, the prompt. And this is the entire prompt. Take this video, add "this is hook" in 2 stages. First, it hides behind her with a gap she walks through. Then it moves up, and when she jumps, she bumps the word. I run it in the terminal because I like pain. You can just install the Claude Code app instead. It's friendlier. And honestly, screenshot this prompt right now and steal it. A few minutes in, it stops and starts asking me questions. Background removal with a model called Rem. Never heard of it either. And that's fine. You don't need to know these models. You just need one habit. At moments like this, tell the AI to go compare better options. Mine did. Rem wouldn't even install, so it switched to a video native matting model, all by itself. 34 minutes later, done. And I can prove I didn't touch a thing in between. This is the entire history. The one thing I added, a screenshot. I paused my video mid-jump and said, "This is the moment she's in the air." Its reply, "You're right, I was wrong." My favorite sentence in the English language. So here's the first cut. Almost. One shot. Watch the text. It slides behind her hair. The caption restacks itself from the bottom row to the top. And on the jump, the word takes the hit. Nobody asked for that bounce. It designed it. Is it perfect? Technically, she should start behind the text and break through the gap. But that's the easy part. Putting words in front of her is just paint. Keeping her in front of the words, that's a clean cutout, every single frame. The hard part was already nailed. A few tiny notes later, this is the final. The matting, the timing, the bounce, 0 lines of code written by me. Side by side with the original, that reveal's coming.
Okay, that's it. And that's exactly what this channel is for. We hunt down AI native, cringe-free content and teach you how to recreate it. This was my first time making anything long form. So, honestly, did this format work for you? There's so much more I want to share. The messy parts, the little tricks. Tell me in the comments what you want to see next. I read everyone. We're just getting started. If you want to come along, subscribe. See you next time.